Are you looking for the best roller skates in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best roller skates that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Sulifeel Rainbow Roller Skates. The Sulifeel Rainbow Roller Skates is bright, colorful, and just the perfect pair of roller skates for your child. This pair of skates are designed to keep a child in mind and how fast they grow. Thus, these are so designed such that you can easily change the size of the shoes to fit your child's growing feet. The wheels light up in a rainbow hue when your child is moving. And there is no need to add a battery for that. Next, the wheels are resilient and crafted from PU polymer, which makes springy enough to give a smooth ride. Finally, the roller skate is built on an aluminum frame, which makes it very stable and strong. Number 4. Kushwen Roller Skates. Certainly, a comfortable pair of roller skates that your child is just going to love. You could try the Kushwen roller skates. These amazing skates come in a fancy and attractive design and made from high-end materials. The boot is from polymeric plastic and has quite a resistive nature towards wear and tear. Furthermore, the inner lining is well padded to be comfortable with your child's feet as they go skating. The wheels are from polyurethane plastic and have quite a sturdy body. They are resilient and easily run on indoor as well as outdoor surfaces smoothly. Number 3. Roller Skates by Crazy Skates. The pair of roller skates from the house of Crazy Skates has a great feel to it, and is the right pair of skates to go with if your child is just a beginner. These have a simplistic look but a clever design that allows the wearer to modify the size of the boots. The collar is well padded and so is the interior of the boots. As a result, your child's feet are all comfortable as they go whizzing. However, the solid wheels are from urethane, a very durable and elastic polymeric material. The wheels will not break easily and can easily run along on different types of lands inside or outside. Number 2. Hakole Roller Skates. Indeed, a cool and blazing pair of roller skates to gift to your kids. Then the Hakole roller skates is the best deal. These are attractive and have a great design which will inculcate in your child a love for roller skating. The boots are very comfortable on their feet. Plus, the wheels attached to them are crafted from PVC, keeping it strong and durable. Furthermore, the wheels are attached to the boots using ABEC 7 bearings, which are the best speed semi-precision bearings out there. Each of the skates comes with 4P wheels that run smoothly and a brake to allow smooth stops when needed. Number 1. Roller Derby Tracer Roller Skates. Well, this is going to one of the most amazing pairs of skates that you are going to buy for your kid. This is a unique pair of skates molded in a versatile design. The skates are so designed that the size can be changed with the click of a button. Given that, this added maneuverability ensures that the pair of skates can be used for a long time. As a matter of fact, this itself grows with the child. The skates run on urethane wheels which are very sturdy with just the right bit of elasticity. Hence, allowing your kid to easily cruise through different kinds of terrains, even rough ones.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.